my son got me for Christmas. He got me this beautiful Santa Claus. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even believe that he got me this. It actually came late. I just received it yesterday, but he said that he ordered it way before Christmas, and it kept saying it was delayed. It wouldn't move from the one location. I can't remember which state it was in, but it finally arrived. And you guys, it's beautiful. Look how cute he is. Now I have the pair. Let's see what it says down here. It doesn't really say anything, but I know he did not order it from Amazon, but I'm not sure what website he ordered it from. So I was really happy that he got me the Santa Claus. Now I have the little pair. How cute are they? Look at them. They're so cute. And you guys, I want to show you guys some of the things that I have that I did not put away yet, that I got on the 90% sale from Hobby Lobby. I have a few things here. The rest of the Christmas decor, I'll probably show you guys that sometime like in October, November, when we start decorating for Christmas again. But I got this for 90% off, so I got it for $1.50. I just got back from Costco and I want to show you guys my haul. And you guys, I'm so excited because they finally had the Peacock, the Lehigh Mills flour. I'll show you guys that right now, but they had the toilet paper on sale, so I picked up 2 packs. The 30 pack of the Charmin is, I think it's usually $25, but when it goes on sale, I think it was like $20 and like 50 cents. I don't remember how many cents, but I picked up 2 packs of those. I picked up another pack of the paper towels because I was completely out, and I didn't even have any napkins either. So I'm really happy that I picked some up today. I picked up, I don't know how, you guys, 4 loaves of sandwich bread. I want to say they probably charged me for like the order that was in back of me. I did check my receipt and they charged me for another pack. So I don't know how it ended up in my cart, or maybe it was like from the order that was behind me and they just charged me for it. But somehow I got 2 packs of bread. The bread was around $5. Then I was totally out of the canola oil, the spray, and they also had this on sale, the collagen peptides. I talk to you guys about this all the time. I show you guys a haul. I like to purchase it every time it goes on sale. I believe I have another one on the other side, but I drink this with my coffee or my orange juice every morning, and I feel like this helps so much with my hair and my nails, and I don't know, I just really like it. I've been taking this for a long time already. And then they had this shampoo on sale, the Pantene. It says passion fruit and cocoa butter. I've never seen this one before, and I have a lot of conditioner, but I don't have a lot of shampoo, so I just picked up one of them because I think there were $5.62 for this one, and the regular one was on sale as well for close to $9. So I picked up another one of these. And you guys, I've been looking for the sour cream at Costco, but for some reason, sometimes they have it in stock and sometimes they don't. But I haven't seen it at Costco in a long time, so I'm really excited. And I bought 1 sour cream. And you guys, I want to tell you guys that the bacon is finally kind of going down. It was 16 something compared to like the 22 it was at one point, but it's back down to around $16. They also had the sponges on sale, and I usually get the blue ones, but I decided to get these heavy duty ones. So I'm going to try these out. I've never really gotten these yellow ones. And then they also had this rotisserie chicken breast on sale. And I looked at the macros on it. Let me show you guys. And it says it has 17 grams of protein, 2 carbs, and 3.5 fats. And it's 3 ounces per serving. I've never tried this one, but it was on sale for $12. So I grabbed 2 bags of those. And these are our favorite, you guys. I will I'll put these in the air fryer and put them on a not a sandwich bun, a hamburger bun. And I'll eat it like it's a hamburger. I don't know. I really like it. My kids like it. So I bought another bag of this, and I compared the macros of this rotisserie chicken breast to this, and the macros are a lot better. And I just think it's because this is breaded chicken, but this is 16 grams of protein, 9 grams of carbs, and 7 fat. So it's not bad either. I usually will eat 6 ounces of this on one hamburger bun. So I'm really excited to try this one. I'll let you guys know what I think, but I have been buying this one. Let me show you guys the front. This Just Bare chicken, I call them chicken nuggets, but they're lightly breaded chicken breast chunks. They are so good. If you guys like Chick-fil-A, gotta go and try those. And they also had the whey protein on sale. So I picked up whey protein. I think it was around $49. And here's the other collagen peptides that I got. And we picked up a pack of this deodorant right here. It is, I believe, pomegranate. Where does it say? Oh yeah, it has the picture right here. But I don't see where it says pomegranate, but I believe it's pomegranate. Probably just not seeing it right now. And I picked up a 12-pack for my daughter of the mac and cheese. And these are just the buns that I will use for the chicken nuggets. I really like these buns, these brioche, I believe. They're so good. And I picked up a pack of the Mexican cheese. We go through cheese here at the house like, wow, it goes so quick. They also had this on sale, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. My daughter really likes this. I think it was around $20 or $24. I can't remember, but I want to say it's 24 or 30. I don't know. I'll look at my receipt right now. But this is such a great price because if you go to Ulta, they you buy one there for the price of 2 at Costco. So it's a great deal. And you guys, here's what I'm so excited about is the all-purpose flour is back in this Lehigh Mills brand. I'm so excited because this is my favorite flour. They had like a different brand at Costco for a while, and it was good too, but I've been using this one for years. So I'm really excited that they brought it back to Costco because this is my favorite flour. And they don't sell this at like the regular grocery store. The only place that I can find it is at Costco. So I'm really happy that Costco brought that back. And then I picked up a 2-pack of 2% milk. But that's all for my haul.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all.
This is my second pantry. It's in my laundry room. I have a video coming soon of me redoing the shelves here. I decided to take out the cabinet that I used to have here in the laundry room so I can extend the shelves, and I love them so much. I can organize my food a lot better. So I have this pantry, which is a prepper pantry, and then I have the pantry that's in my kitchen. That one's just mainly for the food that we get like every day, and then the laundry pantry is like the backup, like the extra food that I buy because I buy a lot of food on sale. So that video will be coming soon.
I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
This is what I purchased at Hobby Lobby when they had the 90% off of the Christmas decor. I picked up 8 of these glass, like wine glasses. I think they're really beautiful. They're in black. And these were, I believe, $9.99. They're by Robert Stanley. So I paid $1 for each one of these. And they're really beautiful, you guys. I love how nice they are. So I'm gonna use them sometime with my tablescape. Not sure, maybe for Easter. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking of going a little bit more with black this year. So we'll see. And you guys, this right here, I got it for $5.40. It's just a big candle holder. Then I also got it in the silver. And this one's just smaller. You can see the difference here. So I got the silver and the gold. Then I also bought this one. They had the gold one and this one too, and I had it in my cart. I almost brought it. This one was $4. It was $39.99. But then I found the gold and this silver one, and I wasn't too sure which ones I wanted. I kind of wanted to bring all of them, but you guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I had 2 carts full of decor that I will show you guys when we're getting close to Christmas again, because I'm gonna switch up my decor I keep saying next year, but this year. So I'll show you guys that in a future video when we're getting close to Christmas again. But I picked up these. I thought it was a great price for them, because where can you find this for $4? It's just beautiful. I didn't think I was gonna like this one as much as these, but honestly, I think I like this one better, and I kind of regret not getting the gold one too. But they're really tall, like they're as tall as this one. Right here is 5 inches by 19 inches. The gold one is 4 inches by 18. They look kind of the same to me. Oh, I think this one is definitely a little bit bigger than the gold one. They're really nice. I really like both of them.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should have told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know.
I had one extra bag of flour that I had in my pantry, so I decided to finally put all of the flour in the containers that I have. So what I like to do is have these ready in my prepper pantry in the back. And I also usually have one of the big buckets from Costco that I will fill up. And my kids gave me some new jars for Christmas this year, and I love them, you guys. I think they are so beautiful. I am going to be filling those up with rice, beans, and flour.